Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to enable Google Assistant on ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra. Firstly, go into the settings. Now tap on the search bar and now search up Assistant. Then go into Assistant settings, scroll a bit down and go into General. Here make sure that this button is blue, and if it's blue it means that the Google Assistant is enabled. And now to activate it you just have to pull from one of the bottom corners. In case of you having the gestures set up as the navigation of your device, so we have gestures set up as the navigation of your device. Just pull from one of these bottom corners to the top, just like this. So exactly. Or if you have buttons set it up as the navigation of your device, then you just have to hold the home button. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.